Integrating Azure Machine Learning and Generative AI, comprehensive solutions in the rapidly evolving landscape of technology. The combination of machine learning, ML, and generative AI, Gen AI, offers transformative solutions across various industries. This video explores a series of user stories that showcase how these technologies can work together to address specific challenges and enhance operational efficiency. Predictive Maintenance Application User Story. Maria wants to create a predictive maintenance application for her manufacturing plant. Solution 1. ML Activities. Maria utilizes Azure Machine Learning to build a predictive model that forecasts equipment failures based on historical data. 1. She collects sensor data from machinery, including temperature, vibration, and operational hours. 1. By employing regression algorithms, she trains the model to identify patterns that precede failures. 2. Gen AI Activities. To enhance the application, Maria integrates a generative AI model that generates optimized maintenance schedules. 2. This model takes into account predicted failures and operational demands, creating schedules that minimize downtime and improve efficiency. Justification. By incorporating Gen AI, Maria can tailor maintenance schedules to specific equipment conditions, leading to better resource allocation and reduced operational costs. Customer Segmentation Tool User Story. John aims to develop a customer segmentation tool to target marketing efforts effectively. Solution 1. ML Activities. John implements clustering algorithms, such as K-means, in Azure ML to segment customers based on purchasing behavior. 1. He analyzes transaction data, customer demographics, and engagement metrics to identify distinct customer groups. 2. Gen AI Activities. Using a Gen AI model, John generates personalized marketing messages tailored to each customer segment. 2. The AI analyzes the preferences and characteristics of each group to create relevant content that resonates with the audience. Justification. The combination of ML and Gen AI allows John to craft targeted marketing strategies that enhance customer engagement and improve conversion rates. Fraud Detection System User Story. Lisa is tasked with developing a fraud detection system for financial transactions. Solution 1. ML Activities. Lisa trains a classification model, such as Random Forest, in Azure ML to identify fraudulent transactions. 1. She uses historical transaction data, labeling fraudulent and legitimate transactions to train the model effectively. 2. Gen AI Activities. To improve the system's responsiveness, Lisa employs a Gen AI model to generate real-time alerts and recommendations based on patterns identified in ongoing transactions. 2. The model continuously analyzes incoming data and provides actionable insights. Justification. Integrating Gen AI enables Lisa to respond quickly to potential fraud scenarios, enhancing the security and reliability of financial transactions. User Engagement and E-commerce User Story. David wants to improve user engagement on his e-commerce platform. Solution 1. ML Activities. David analyzes user behavior data to build a recommendation system using collaborative filtering techniques in Azure ML. 1. This system identifies patterns in user interactions and suggests products based on similar users' preferences. 2. Gen AI Activities. To enrich the user experience, David uses a Gen AI model to generate personalized product descriptions and promotions. 2. The AI tailors content based on individual user profiles, enhancing the relevance of the offerings. Justification. By combining ML and Gen AI, David can significantly boost user engagement and conversion rates, creating a more personalized shopping experience. Chatbot Development User Story. Emma is developing a chatbot to assist customers with common queries. Solution 1. ML Activities. Emma implements a natural language processing (NLP) model in Azure ML to classify and understand user queries. 1. The model is trained on historical customer interaction data to improve its accuracy. 2. Gen AI Activities. To enhance the chatbot's responsiveness, Emma integrates a Gen AI model that generates dynamic responses to user inquiries. 2. The AI uses context and user data to provide personalized and relevant answers. Justification. The integration of Gen AI allows Emma's chatbot to deliver high-quality, contextually relevant interactions, improving customer satisfaction and reducing response times. Automated Reporting Tool User Story. Tom aims to create an automated reporting tool for sales teams. Solution 1. ML activities. Tom builds a time series forecasting model in Azure ML to predict future sales based on historical trends. 1. He analyzes sales data, seasonality, and other factors to generate accurate forecasts. 2. Gen AI activities. Using a Gen AI model, Tom generates narrative reports that summarize sales performance and insights. 2. The AI transforms raw data into easily digestible insights, complete with actionable recommendations. Justification. Integrating Gen AI into the reporting process saves time for sales teams and enhances decision-making by providing clear, concise insights. Healthcare Diagnosis Assistant User Story. Dr. Smith wants to create a healthcare diagnosis assistant to help doctors identify diseases based on patient symptoms. Solution. 1. ML activities. Dr. Smith uses Azure ML to build a classification model that analyzes patient data, including symptoms, medical history, and lab results. 1. The model is trained on a dataset of diagnosed cases to identify potential diseases based on input symptoms. 2. Gen AI activities. To enhance the assistant's capabilities, Dr. Smith employs a Gen AI model to generate personalized health recommendations and treatment plans based on the identified conditions. 2. The AI considers patient demographics and preferences to tailor suggestions. 3. Justification. 4. Integrating Gen AI allows Dr. Smith to provide doctors with comprehensive, personalized recommendations, improving diagnostic accuracy and patient care. Travel Recommendation System. 2. User Story. Sarah wants to develop a travel recommendation system that suggests personalized travel itineraries based on user preferences. 3. Solution. 4. ML activities. Sarah implements collaborative filtering algorithms in Azure ML to analyze user preferences, past travel history, and reviews. 4. The model identifies patterns to recommend destinations and activities that align with user interests. 5. Gen AI activities. Using a Gen AI model, Sarah generates detailed travel itineraries, including suggestions for accommodations, activities, and dining options tailored to each user's preferences and budget. 6. Justification. 7. The combination of ML and Gen AI provides Sarah with a powerful tool to create highly personalized travel experiences, enhancing customer satisfaction and engagement. Social media content creation tool. 2. User Story. Mark aims to build a social media content creation tool that generates engaging posts for businesses. 3. Solution. 4. ML activities. Mark analyzes successful social media campaigns using Azure ML to identify key factors that drive engagement, such as post timing, content type, and audience demographics. 5. Gen AI activities. Leveraging a Gen AI model, Mark generates creative and engaging social media posts tailored to specific audiences. 5. The AI can create various formats, including text, images, and hashtags, to maximize reach and engagement. 6. Justification. 7. Integrating Gen AI allows Mark to automate and enhance the content creation process, enabling businesses to maintain a consistent and engaging social media presence. Employee Performance Evaluation System. 2. User Story. Lisa wants to create an employee performance evaluation system that provides actionable insights for management. 3. Solution. 4. ML activities. Lisa uses Azure ML to build a regression model that analyzes employee performance data, including sales figures, customer feedback, and peer reviews. 4. The model predicts performance trends and identifies areas for improvement. 5. Gen AI activities. To provide comprehensive evaluations, Lisa employs a Gen AI model to generate personalized feedback reports for employees. 5. The AI summarizes performance data and offers tailored development suggestions based on individual strengths and weaknesses. 6. Justification. 7. The integration of Gen AI ensures that performance evaluations are constructive and personalized, fostering employee growth and enhancing overall team effectiveness. 1. Conclusion. 2. The integration of Azure Machine Learning and Generative AI offers a robust framework for solving complex business problems across various domains. 2. From predictive maintenance and customer segmentation to healthcare diagnosis and social media management, these technologies complement each other to enhance efficiency and improve outcomes. 3. By leveraging both ML and Gen AI, organizations can create tailored solutions that not only address specific challenges but also drive innovation and customer satisfaction. 3. As demonstrated through the user stories outlined in this article, the potential for integrating these technologies is vast, offering opportunities for businesses to thrive in an increasingly competitive landscape. If you are keen to work on these kind of practices and upskill your profile into ML/Gen AI job market demanding roles, first learn on our coaching. Visit https://skumarcoaching.com/book a counseling call with our coach, Shani Kumar V on LinkedIn. https://www.linkedin.com/in/skumareatpractices/